In the Jeepers universe, the Creeper drives a literal monster. We find out that the truck is much more than just simple transportation. It can respond to the Creeper's will, it can repel an attack, and it is even said to be the Creeper's rolling history. So how can we take on and destroy such a beast? And if we do disable it, does that hurt the Creeper? We're going in. Cover us. In Jeepers Creepers, the Creeper is the truck for the first third of the film. This is because they wanted to conceal the Creeper and expose him to viewers a little at a time. But this decision made a regular old truck into a main character of the film, uncredited of course. Then in Jeepers 3, we find out a lot more about the truck. It isn't just transportation, it's actually important to the Creeper, and he can control it remotely. It also has many deadly traps and defense mechanisms, making any attack on it very risky. So the question is, can we effectively disable the Creeper truck? And if so, how? Let's start by looking at a few things that we do know about the Creeper's truck. Now, disclaimer, some of this will be fact that we have seen for ourselves, and a small portion of it will be speculation, because we really don't know how the Creeper controls his truck.
What the hell's his problem?
Just get out of his way, Jerry!
The truck is protected by the Creeper. We see Tubbs and Tashtego make a feeble attempt at attacking the Creeper's truck.
Take his tire out.
They shoot at it only to have the bullets ricochet back at them. The metal, glass, and even the tires seem to repel bullets. Shortly after that, we see the truck repel much larger rounds, and many more of them. Those rounds are literally directed back to the Creeper hunters with great accuracy. This is a powerful defense mechanism that we must take into account. The truck has a very dangerous rear-facing cannon. We have seen it hit a police cruiser in an attempt to hit officers that were investigating the truck, as well as on Kirk, the dirt bike rider, who was trying to break into it. This is a very fierce weapon that can be deployed against anything attacking the rear of the Creeper's truck. Even more impressive, it can be deployed then retracted for multiple uses. There is a spear that fires out of the driver's seat towards the passenger door. We saw Kirk meet his ultimate demise at the end of that spear. We don't know if it would go farther than the door, but it would not be a good idea to approach the Creeper's truck from the passenger door. We all know there are spikes that protect the rear of the truck, or ensnare victims who are brave enough to stick their head in or climb into the back. It would be ill-advised to enter the back of the truck for any reason. Let's not forget the mines that protect the truck. We were very disappointed with these and how they were introduced to the audience, but we've had more and more fans telling us that they appreciated them, so maybe we shouldn't judge them so harshly. They are another dangerous attribute of the Creeper's truck, and because they roll, they may protect more than just the rear of the truck. These mines could also be used to blow up the Creeper's truck if they were detonated on board. This option could be used to kill pursuers or to protect information about the Creeper or his truck, much like burning down the church. But from what we've seen so far, they would not damage the truck enough to protect that information. There is one last piece of information we need to know before we launch our attack on the truck. What other offensive or defensive weapons are on board that we haven't seen yet? Another disclaimer, we don't know about any weapons that are on the truck that you don't already know about. And we aren't going to invent any weapons for the Creeper's truck, as that is sacred ground. Only writers that have been granted that privilege can come up with new gags for the truck. But one thing's for sure, there are some that we haven't seen yet. So where does this leave us? How do we launch an attack on the Creeper's truck? Let's hear from you first, our biggest Jeepers Creepers fans. You tell us how to successfully attack and destroy the Creeper's truck, weakening the Creeper and making him more vulnerable. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Also, you may not have had an opportunity to see all the videos about the Creepers truck. We recommend that you do see those, but feel free to ask any questions about the truck that may help you formulate your attack. We can also tell you that the truck has been attacked before. It's not what you think, but it is a cool story, and we'll share that with you in the follow-up video. If you would like to know how we would attack the Creepers truck, sub up, join this family, and until next time, we'll see you.